Hey fam, Chichi here, welcome back. As the title states, we have a Louis Vuitton unboxing, and listen, the hoops and effort I made into making this purchase, I was just like, there was a time I was gonna give up, y'all. But if you are new here, hey, I'm Chichi and I talk about all things lavish but logical. So if that's your sort of thing, go ahead, subscribe, make some friends in the comment section, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Let me just give y'all the backstory before I even unbox this. So y'all know I'm a huge fan of Virgil Abloh's work, but I was also someone who, I had my limits, okay, of what I will and won't purchase price-wise. And then on top of that, resellers and, you know, just some of the pieces were a little bit too hard to even get. So I was just like, you know, I'll get it at some other time. And then of course, Virgil passed and prices, they went up. Louis Vuitton announced that they were coming out with a book. And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get it. Don't ask me why I didn't pre-order this book. That was just dumb on my part. I think because they kind of phrased it like, oh, you have to go through your essay and stuff like that. And I thought I had an essay when I bought my Speedy, but she just went ghost on me. So I didn't have anyone who I can call up and be like, hey, can I reserve the book? And I wasn't even thinking about that. So when the book dropped, I couldn't get it. I called maybe 5 times trying to get this book. 2 people put me on like a wait list and I've never heard back from them. I saw that they had it at Garden State Plaza in Jersey. So I was gonna take a ride up there, but they're closed on Sundays because of their town ordinance, but they didn't have it. I was gonna go to the American Dream Mall, and I ain't never been to that mall. When I started to make the drive, they said that it wasn't in stock. A couple of the stores in New York ended up having it. I was trying to get to them. Nope. And when you call up Louis Vuitton, it just automatically redirects you to the 800 number. So it's not even like you're calling the store, right? So I gave up. I'll be honest. I was just like, I'm not gonna get this book. I'm just gonna say Kim D. She hit me up on Instagram and she's like, yo girl, I got the book. And I'm like, congratulations. I was mad salty. Congratulations. But I was like, yo, I've been trying all freaking week. It's been over a week when I've tried to get this book. And she was like, well, I called so-and-so number. So I'm like, all right, I'm gonna try it again. What's one more time, right? I've already heard no, so what else are they gonna say? No in Spanish? So I call up, of course they redirect it to the 800 number and I get a client advisor. And I'm like, hey, I'm looking for this book. She's doing her spiel and stuff like that. But then she started asking me questions like, oh, how big of a fan are you? And stuff like that. And I'm just like, I love his work. It's just like, I didn't know like if this was a test because I'm not trying to fail it. So I'm like, yeah, I love Virgil, which I do. You know, I've been trying to get something from the collections I never could win. And, you know, I'm putting my life story out there. So she's like, okay, please hold. Let me see if one of my contacts might have the book. So she do what she do, put me on hold, picks up, puts me on hold, picks up, puts me on hold. And then she's like, okay, well, I have so-and-so on the line. We're just going to say the California store. And he's going to handle your transaction from here on out. He sends me the link, I pay, and we have the box. Now I did get a little like scared because it was saying in-store purchase, which technically I guess it would be true. So I just got a little nervous because I was just like, oh God, what if this thing does not show up? Like, girl, that would be a travesty. So the exciting part about this whole thing is that there were 2 covers, so you don't know which cover you get until you get it. This is my receipt. Let's drop that out the way. Woo, child, she's heavy. This is why I had to tell y'all the story first, because I already knew this book was gonna be heavy. Low key, very high key. I wanted the colorful book, but we'll see what we have. I'm gonna show y'all first. It's a hot air balloon, isn't it? I had a feeling I was gonna get this one. Here we have it. the Virgil Abloh book. I had to jump through the hoops. But you are home, darling. You are home. I had told Kim that, you know, I was able to place the order, but I don't know, you know, if it'll show up. She was saying that she actually wanted this cover. And then, like, I want the funky color, you know? I kind of almost jinxed her. I was like, watch you get the colorful cover and I get the hot air balloon. We were just like, you know what? If you get that one and because she wants this one, I was like, we'll just switch. But I had a feeling I was gonna get the hot air balloon because, yeah, I think this one was probably the general release of it. But I'm gonna let y'all in little tea. The author of this book, the Assouline, we're gonna hopefully say that correctly, they're actually having pre-orders at the time I'm filming this. So they have the funky cover. So I think I might buy the funky colored. So I'm going to put that information in the description box just in case you might want to pre-order the one with, you know, the cartoons on it, because I don't know, I like a little bit funky, you know, stuff in my life. I low-key actually like this cover too. Do I want to open it with you? Yes, we're going to open it. We're going to open it. I kind of don't want to open it, but I'm going to open it. Oh yeah. It's nothing like ripping off the plastic. Plastic off the sofa. Ah, that's my favorite Beyonce song off her new album. It was produced by The Internet, which I love. I love Sid and all the members like Steve Lacy. Oh, okay. Yes. So this is how the book looks. Let's get into some of it. Oh, I don't know how I'm gonna do this, guys. Clearly, I'm a professional at my job. We got the Cloud collection right there. Let's flip to this page. Ooh, that's fierce. Okay. That green. If y'all saw my coin card holder, it's that same green. Let me see. I just love seeing black faces in luxury. Like, that warms my freaking heart. The models and stuff, it's just, oh, this is the Virgil was here. Oh, damn. This is the Miami runway show. Oh man, I don't want to look at that part. I don't want to look at that part. Like, let's stick to some of the happier ones, okay? But yeah, I can't wait to get through all of this. Hey, Cutters, Kid Cudi, love him. Day and night. I'm still upset to whoever threw that bottle at Kid Cudi. Just know it's on site. Disrespecting my dude. Up and here we go. Yay. Oh man, Ye going through his issues with freaking Adidas. But yeah, I'm very happy to have this book. I'll leave the link to the publisher. Is this the author or the publisher? I'm not sure. You'll figure it out. This is the website right there. Y'all ain't gonna be able to see it, but if you do want the funkier cover, they do have the pre-order. I'll leave the link in the description box. Check out some of my other videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.